you think? Is there a
I
train?
try to avoid Ice Coast.
I think it's a long train. That's not a train.
Yes, it's a Florida East Coast.
That's the Florida.
It's reversing.
Oh, for real? What in?
428.
Oh.
It's a GP40.
Oh, it's a GP40?
It's repainted.
Oh.
K5LA.
Okay. All right.
Woo! A
Whoa.
Florida East Coast.
All right. I hear you. Hopefully the light is working, because the light wasn't working. Oh, no. Oh, jeez.